Hey everybody, this little video is for Miss B. She wanted to know how I do my rubber band crochets, the rubber band method. So I am here just to show that. First of all, I buy my hair from Amazon. This is the hair that I purchased. There were 7 packs and there's 20 braids in each ring, basically, okay? I think I got the 7 packs for $32. Mine are silver and gray, okay? Because I'm going to start rocking my silver and gray hair. I also purchased these rubber bands, little black rubber bands from Amazon as well. Almost out. Time for me to get some more. I have my Got To Be gel and my handy dandy water sprayer, okay? All right, and I also have my little teeny rubber bands and my comb. So I took a little piece out for you. I hope you can see this. All right, I'm gonna comb it because I just took that braid out, so there'll be some hair that comes out. All right, I'm going to spray my little baby like so. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put a rubber band on that piece. Boom. So I have my little piece here. I forgot the main thing that we need is the dang on crochet hook. Duh. So this one actually came with the braids that I purchased on Amazon. Okay. All right, so these braids come pre-looped. If you can see the little loop there. And what I do so I don't pull my hair so much and have so much tension here is I go ahead and loop the braid onto the crochet needle, okay? Then I go ahead and I grab my little piece and I push the crochet needle through that little piece, like underneath the rubber band. And then I take this little small end piece, I hope you can see it, and I put it in the hoop, close the little latch, pull through, making sure that I'm holding this here, so when I pull through, that little piece of hair comes through. Gently tightening the braid. Very gently, because I'm very tender-headed and I don't want to lose my hair. Boom. Okay? All right, this is where the water bottle comes in handy once again. I spray that little piece. I take my Got To Be glue, gel, styling gel, and I just get a little bit and I put it on that piece of hair. Boom. All right. Then I take my latch and I put it through the braid, latching that piece of hair on. Okay, and pull it back through the braid. Okay, if you can see it, I have my little piece of hair here. I make sure that it gets under that hook, pull my hair through, make sure that latch is closed, pull it through. Okay, push the latch through the braid, pull my hair under the little hook, close the latch, pull it through. Okay, I do this until I can't do it anymore, and then once I can't pull it through anymore, I just take another rubber band and I just meet it at the end of where my hair is. So you can't really see where my hair ends because I have the rubber band over it. If I feel like this is too loose, I will just go on with another rubber band and just latch it right there at the very beginning. Boom, simple as that. And she is done. This keeps it from hurting my scalp, and they last a long time. So, Miss B, that is how I do my rubber band method. I guess I have so much hair in the top that it almost looks like I have a head full of braids when they're loose. I do have a lot of hair, that's the truth. But that is the method to my madness. I hope it helped. Thank you. Bye.